second count, okay, ladies? We believe in each of you. So proud of you guys. Let's get started, right, Joan? Okay, ladies, good luck.
All right, let's begin the Miss Universe Philippines 2024 question and answer segment. And we are starting with you, John Province.
Okay, this is a good one. Are you ready? Women learn from each other. What is the biggest lesson that you've learned from another woman, and how did it improve your life?
Ba't late sa'yo? Late.
My grandmother put me through school, and the biggest lesson I have learned from her is to always be kind. She is someone who has a big heart and took care of me since I was a kid. And I do think that my grandmother is someone that I can look up to. She is someone that is an embodiment of what a great woman is. Thank you.
Sorry, pisa no? Ulit sila eh. Diba?
Si Bako.
Pangit kasi ano ng girl ulit.
Nigiring na kasi.
Ano kasi
Next we
yung paso,
have
di ba?
Baguio.
Ulit. Yung layo ng sagot niya ano eh. Bayo eh.
Okay, here we go. What is your breakthrough or big achievement, and how did it improve you as a person?
Being here in this prestigious pageant, or the Miss Universe Philippines 2024, is my greatest achievement. The Tara before is someone who doesn't really who really limit herself when it comes to her achievements. Where I step here in this Miss Universe Philippines, and I see the transformation, the improvement, and how I was able to become an inspirational woman that I am now. And that is something that I will be proud of after this journey. Thank you.
Thank you, Baguio.
Mas balik kay Atisa no?
Next, please join me here, Kainta.
Kung lakas ang laban ng bae.
Eh, ganyan kasi yung project daw.
Ayan.
Thank you.
Patay ka dyan.
Okay,
Ito na.
women have inspired you all throughout your life. Now tell us about how you have inspired another woman.
You know, I've been told many times that I am too short to join a beauty pageant. But now I realize that pageant are a representation, a reflection of that very nation. And tonight, I am not only representing myself, but every Filipino woman sees themselves in me. I hope to inspire every Filipina that just like universe, we too are limitless.
May paparadang sa Kainta.
Thank you.
Ayun pa.
Thank you, Kainta.
Patay na si Atisa maglalagay. Pero maganda naman sagot Atisa inyo.
Bulacan.
Ito nga ang rinto, palaban din ito.
Wala ka no?
Pinabagsak ng dalawa.
Sambalos, ang ganda yung sambalos di ba?
Tatlo pala
Thank you
binagsak
so
niya.
much. All right. You are beautiful and confident. How would you use these qualities to empower others?
Ang ganda nagtanong sa kanya.
As a woman of color, I have always faced challenges in my life. I was told that beauty has standard, actually. But for me, I have listened to always believe in my mother, to always believe in yourself, uphold the vows that you have in yourself. Because of these, I am already influencing a lot of women who are facing me right now as a transformational woman. I have here 52 other delegates with me who have helped me to become the woman I am. Thank you.
Mabilang ko.
Thank you, Bulacan. And now, Taguig.
Tsaka sa Barbie no?
Thank you. Okay. Ooh, I like this one. What is the biggest challenge you faced as a Filipino woman, and what do you do to hurdle the challenge?
I think one of the biggest challenges that Filipino face today are being limited by still being shadowed by, unfortunately, men or in society. But I think my platform and me standing here in front of you today, I can encourage women that you too can stand up, you can be strong, you can be powerful, you can own your own destiny like I plan to tonight.
Ang ganas buti ba kaya mo?
Ano to?
Thank you, Piggy.
Ano to?
Wow, Alden, those are some strong answers.
Great answers, Jenny.
Very quick on their feet. I have to say, ladies, you did a fantastic job. Moa Arena Philippines, that is our top 5.
Mo Arena, this
dalawang
delegates
pula,
deserve a
tatlong
big
puti.
hand and take a closer
Sabong.
look at your Miss Universe Philippines 2024 Top 5.
Maya pa yun.
Launa pa.